Hey everybody, Dr. D here. Just wanted to give you a quick update on our expansion construction. I'm pretty much at the painting stage. Rather and I have been working real hard. Got our nice front desk up here, and yeah, the molding has to go on the top finish, but it's coming along real good. So walk with me here, take about 30 seconds, and look at what I'm really excited about. We've been painting. As you can see, we got a nice matching marigold paint up there. And we've got some green going to go up in this wall, the adjusting area and exam. But come on back this way. This is the coolest thing. So as we come to the back of the clinic, you're basically getting to our x-ray department. So the x-ray technicians installed our brand new digital x-ray suite. And it's right here. Here we go. So this room is essentially done. And basically Greene County now has a digital x-ray facility. I can take pictures for our patients. We can take pictures for other physicians that refer here. I've been reading x-rays for 35 years, so we're pretty up on it. So really excited about this. And keep an eye out for our next video when we have all the painting and the adjusting tables in place. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.